It's day 114. I apologize for not getting this video out earlier. This is late night viewing. I haven't done one of these in a while. You know, our society seems to have like this obsession with youth and kind of becoming this like amazing prodigy. 30, Forbes 30 under 30. I never made it onto that list. Even though when I was 18, I was convinced I was like a star and I was, destined for great things. I'd like gotten good grades in school and all this kind of stuff. Thought I was going to be on some kind of list like that. Never happened. And then you just start grinding in your career. You grind and grind, but it never quite like turns into the fairy tale that you imagine when you're 18 sometimes. And so when I turned 50, I didn't have a party. Actually, just a week before my 50th birthday party, I got noticed that my biggest investor was pulling out of my hedge fund in 6 months if I didn't turn it around. And I didn't turn it around, and he did pull his money out. And I was kind of left scrambling because he was a significant part of my assets. And I was thinking, holy cow, how did I get here? How did I get to 50 years old when like I knew some people that are like retiring and stuff, and I felt like I hadn't even accomplished a thing. And I'd let down my family, my kids, my wife, and all this kind of stuff. And I thought like maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was telling myself a fantasy when I was 18 years old, like I was special, and I really wasn't, and I needed to come to grips with that. And um, if you told me at that moment that 3 years later when I was 53, I'd I'm by no means like a big success, but like I'd be in the situation where, um, the my hedge fund would have be having a great year. I'd have some exciting announcements with something like EMJX, where I should have some news next week and all this kind of stuff. I wouldn't have believed it. And the truth is that there are a lot of late bloomers in the world of tech, in the world of entrepreneurship. Jensen Huang is 62. Alex Karp, one of my big heroes, is 58. Now, they've been at it a long time, but my point is, you don't just have to be on the 30 under 30 list. Sometimes your path is your path, and it's not some child prodigy path. It's fine if it is, but sometimes you take the late bloomer path. That's been my path. And I just want to encourage all the folks out there, 40, 50, 60, if you think like it's all over, it's never over until you say it's over. You and God are the majority. Keep pushing, keep grinding, own the future, don't rent it. Keep walking in the snow as long as it takes. You're getting to where you need to be. You just don't know it yet. Keep pushing ahead. I'm going to make the 70 under 70 list. That's my goal.